Wait a minute. I was thinking about something very interesting just. And Josh, what you have to say that is always interesting. This thing. I'm trying to get a dictionary to try to pronounce my English properly. Then maybe I can stand chance to sing a better song. Listen, we are not supposed to pronounce properly. Everybody has to get their own culture. And that's what makes the world go around. All trees don't look like. Well, that is true, but some type of songs, you must try to pronounce it good. Otherwise, you really, by the time you finish pronounce one, because you speaking it too long, it take too long sentence, and then by the time you catch up, then you miss out. That is absolutely true. But sugar, yeah, what's up? You're surely so quiet lately. What happened? Well, I thought you guys said you was going back to the hotel, huh? Did you giving up the hotel room? No, I'm not giving up. I feel like, listen, I'm paying 100,000 a night. So, my limousine is doing okay. My driver is there, I make sure I get a driver who exactly just like the driver from Julia Roberts in Pretty Woman. I make sure I look for a driver, same name of a driver, same height, to make sure that I get it. My fantasy complete. So what I mean. Right? I understand what you mean, sugar. But wait a minute. Candy, Candy. Yeah. What's the matter? I'm busy meditating. This day I don't have to meditate really loud. I'm really just meditating on the inside. Just, just thinking, glancing myself. Growing up, growing this planet is I'm aging by the seconds. So I have to really stay connected to myself. That is absolutely true. But why you want your cha-cha? What you have in mind? Well, I'm curious because she's suddenly really acting a little bit strange lately. Well, keep in mind the voices are going and coming, so you have to really be careful. Wait a minute. Hold that thought. I got a question. Salamatu. What's the matter? So, tell me, how does it feel like when you're missing? How do you feel? I don't feel different. Only when I want to sing a song, my voice is different. That's all. For the rest, there's nothing. It's just pronunciation. But I'm always the same. Well, Keisha, my voice not fully back, just a little bit. Uh, I don't think that you should ask me because the voice was missing, and now just a little bit. It's back after over 20 days. Listen, I don't want to talk. Just say what you want to say. Well, it's nice to know that suddenly you little bit back. My God, you was missing over 20 days. Hmm. The whole to the never mind. Eh, Badlu. Yeah, what's the matter? You want me to sing a song? Well, not that we get the chance. Maybe you can try to prove yourself that you're the grandmother of the pages. Well, I don't know about that. What type of song do you have in mind? Well, we don't know. We're just going to try one of the blues that lives in the paradise. Let's see if we can able to get a signal. Hey, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I think it's a red flag. We look for karaoke. This is not karaoke. I think Shacha. Watch a match. Well, if you're going to push the wrong karaoke, how do you expect me to sing it then? Just watch a match. No panic yet. Just watch a shaker. Watch a match. Do you think I can able to pull it out? It's not about you pulling it out. Just try a lot. I don't know What am I gonna say? 'Cause I'm not for sure. I don't like when people going to try to sing from. They say it's karaoke. Why it's not aimed as karaoke? Why? This is called karaoke. Just people sing it to themselves. Don't panic. Just wait. We're going to find one for you. Well, I find it really little bit strange, you know. Why can't you just play one of the karaoke what I sing the last time? I watch a match. So far, we haven't got any problem with Jessica Simpson, right? Well, I don't think you have to ask for trouble. Well, I think if I want to sing a song, why don't you type in the beaches? Yeah, check you want to sing the beaches? I think you ask you for trouble. I got nothing to lose. Let me just try. Maybe people will not even piece it together. Now it's someone else is singing. Ah, check your charts. Let's see if we can find it. Karaoke, how you spell it? Beaches. B. Beaches. No, just spell it. Beaches. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Listen, I'm a stupid trunk out. Blanca, I don't know how to type it. Can you type it in? Listen, you asking me. We all stupid from the area of Casablanca. You threaten that you don't know how to spell the beaches. Okay, let me try. If you type in B and you wait, there are smart people on YouTube. They can help you out. BGs, B and and then you go with a G, and then you put another E. Yay! I get it. BGs. You see, you must step by step. You can find it. Yeah, sure. Wait a minute. I think you have tried, but wait a minute. You must BGs karaoke. You go karaoke. It's wait a minute. Don't you don't you be happy yet because you don't find out yet. Wait a minute. How'd you be shala? How'd you be shala? I wanna need to know. Cause wait a minute. Don't you think he look like Anya Karim Shine Papa? Listen, we're not going. First, if you have any question, just take it and save it. Then ask the question. Wait a minute. We're first going to put this. Let's try and see. Which one is this? I don't think this is the right one. Wait a minute. I pushed the first one. How deep is your love? Is how deep is your love? I really need to know. 'Cause really, that's what I think. Yeah. Wait a minute. Wait, don't rush me. Wait a minute. So you're checking going for this? Well, I think maybe I can able to create my own album. What if it's a hit? You think you want to do it separately? Well, I guess you're problem with church. What about you? Well, the girl wanna go live. I say why not? Let's step aside.